Good morning, guys. Welcome back to good morning or good afternoon. Welcome back to BJG Squad once again. We're getting lipstick style CREOLE rings lipstick. This is gonna be my second time wearing it, and I got the color purple number 12, numéro 12. Okay, I'm actually number rings lipstick qui c'est Reedjy. I mean, the first time I wear it, it was nice, so I'm gonna retry it again so you guys can see it. It is waterproof, all that. You can eat with it, all that junk, okay? So, I'm going to mettre le figim and then map tune back pour nous kawel, okay? I'm in the restroom right now, you guys. I'm just trying to put it on right quick so you guys can see it.
Le français, on a quel comme ça. C'est voir le français tout quand juste. La première, ça c'est deuxième coton. It is matte. It is matte, okay? No! Stop! Oh my god, my baby was sucking on something dirty. Oh, pilih Benji.
Okay, you guys, this is it. Move closer so you guys can see it. This is it, you guys. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I like it. It's very pretty. Easy to apply. It's easy to put on, you guys. Vraiment facile, très facile pour nous mettre dans la bouche, non? Okay. Pas oublier pour nous aller passer prendre dans Reedjy, okay? Mettez a website. Once you're on a website, so if I get on a website, and she's also on Facebook, you guys. It's Reedjy Racine. It's on Facebook, so don't forget to get yours if you like this color. They do have other colors. You guys can also pick up other colors, but I like purple and pink. Moi, j'ai acheté en pink, mais en rouge, so nous avons pris un couleur nouvelle. But I prefer this one. Okay. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Nadim si sa te de nou, you know, comment below. Alright, si nou bezon to let me know. Or you guys can just follow her on Facebook. Reedjy Racine. Please comment, share, subscribe. Abonnez-vous sur channel la famille. Partagez. Mwah! Say hi, people. Hi, people. All right.